So the saying, walk or sit as you will, but whatever you do, don't wobble. What kind of a statement is that? So the saying, walk or sit as you will, but whatever you do, don't wobble. What kind of a statement is that? And so you will notice that thought follows thought follows thought when you are just ruminating. And those thoughts arise and go like waves on the water all the time. They come and go. And when they go, they are as if they had never been here.
Right then, we are back, and this week we've been cracking on with this deer fencing. New job, new year, 2025. But yeah, cracking on with this fencing, obviously setting our lines up, digging the holes. We're going about 900 below ground level, so they're a good 3 foot in the ground. 3 meter posts, and then straining the wire as we go. So I'm going to do a video on how to make this, but as you can see in the rest of this video that we've cracked on, and yeah, just cracking on with some deer fencing. So what have you guys been up to? You got busy new year? Let us know in the comment section below. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Peace.